Hello guys, so this is the second part of the business of sports memorabilia. So let's continue. You can edit the site header, the site header section. So here you can change the site title. You can upload your logo as a file or select from library, and also you can upload the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. Also here you can turn this on and change the text on this label. You can edit the social links, you can add the social link or email. Here if you wanna switch the language and change the icon style. Now let's move on to the next section. This section here, you can add item here. You can go to the link editor and customize here and design your link editor. You can customize the wave intensity and the text size. That's it, just like this. So this is your website. Here you have to try your best to make it attractive, so do anything to make it better than this. First let's delete this image and add another image, put it here and select from library. So go here and search for sports memorabilia. For example, this for example. So the background, you can select just a simple art like this. The text here, you can move it. For example here, keep it just like this. Don't change it. Don't change the size of the text. Now let's continue. So here you have to delete all these images and add another ones. So the first one in the middle, the second one beside it here, and the last one here. That's it. First let's add the first here in the middle. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is the first one. The second one, here also search on something for sports, memorabilia. You can type whatever you like on the search if you look for something. So for example, the last one. And the background, just a simple arch. You can select just a simple arch in the background, so like this. That's it. Now let's continue. Here also just a simple arch. So let's see this all the sections backgrounds. This is the last section. Edit the section background as you like. Just you can add image or video in the background. I'm gonna select just a simple arch. So that's it. Here you can change the location and the hours if you wanna add the map here, and here the contact. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing and customizing your website, you can go to the site size, and for example you can change the fonts if you want. Go here, switch back, and you can change the fonts from here. And the colors, you can customize your themes from here. And the animations, set any animation you like here, any style you like, and customize here the speed of the animation and the spacing. So that's it. Now if you done from here, now the last thing is go to add the products to your inventory, and add the way you get paid, and customize the price, and choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website, your homepage for sports memorabilia business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.